I have an announcement. Yes, I got a new microphone. Yes, that's what you hear right now. This is the new microphone. Uh, as you see, it's super awesome. I haven't had any good microphones. The other microphone I had was like 15 or something years old. It's just super old. It did surprisingly well for its age, but I needed to move on from it. So I'm using this one now. And of course, it's going to change over time. I haven't really set up voice meter to change my voice, make it sound super smooth and raspy. And I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, so this is a really cool video. I'm actually giving a review for this microphone, which is called something. The Fifine Technology T669, I think. That sounds way too technical for it to not be. So right now you're hearing me from my new microphone. I hope it sounds better for you guys. It sounds pretty good for me while in post-production, but right now I figured one of the reasons why my audio sucks is because I'm not really speaking with full force, full volume. So I'm going to speak a little bit louder in my videos, but I've toned it down so it should stay normal for you guys and you can clearly hear me. So I love how simple this microphone actually is. It's a plug and play. It's super easy to adjust. Had no problems putting it together. So far, I've only had one other microphone that was made like 20 years ago, before I was born. So this is my first experience with a true microphone, but so far so good. I mean, you can tell this I'm not having any voice effects. This is what my voice sounds like just through this microphone. And one of my favorite things is it's pretty cheap compared to other microphones. I got this for about 40 bucks, but that was during like Black Friday. So if you're watching this anytime not at Black Friday, it's not going to be that cheap, but it's still going to be anywhere from $50 to $60, which is pretty good for this microphone. It comes with a shock mount, a windscreen, and a pop filter. Yes, that's the word, pop filter. And I just love how easy it is to adjust this thing. I'm more amazed about the actual arm than the microphone, but it comes with a full kit. So it comes with all of this, not just the microphone. So a good decent, maybe even half of your money is just spent on everything else besides the microphone. In my opinion, this is extremely nice. This is very high quality for such a low budget microphone. So, should you buy this microphone? Well, depends. That's my answer. It depends. If you're in the mood for a microphone and you're on a super budget, yeah, this is absolutely awesome. But I've got some friends who just have way better microphones than this, but they're in the range of $100. So you get the full kit and a microphone, very decent quality, for super cheap. So all around, this is fairly nice. This is definitely something I would recommend. Um, this is super easy too. It's not like you have to know your stuff about computers either. You just plug it into your USB port, and that's it. It just automatically installs, which is super nice. I did some testing around. I haven't actually had this thing for that long, so I haven't, set up a voice meter, changed my EQ or anything like that. So this is my actual voice. This is what you're hearing. There's no added effects to this, which is awesome. Um, so yeah, definitely. It gets a thumbs up out of 10. Very nice. Good job.